Hello healthy food lovers, welcome to yet another video on Adom Mame's Kitchen. I'm the Sclefori, aka Adom Papa, and in this video I'll be kicking off a new series called The Cooking Husband, during which I would be preparing some of my recipes that I think makes my wife go yum yum yum. So in this video I'll be making a dish I choose to call pasta buona. I don't know what the original name is, but what I can tell you is that it's creamy, it's healthy, and it's what I'm recommending that you prepare today. So let's get started. I'll be using 500 grams of pasta. This is the Panna Zitti pasta, my wife's favorite pasta. I'll also be using 500 ml cooking cream, 150 grams of frozen green pea, some carrots, fresh mushrooms, 60 grams of tuna, 150 grams of sweet maize, a small amount of bell peppers which I've already sliced as you can see here, some zucchini which I've also sliced, a clove of garlic, onion, and ginger. Alright guys, let's get started by pouring some oil into the heating pan, then go on to adding the garlic, ginger and onion into the oil to get them slightly cooked, or should I say fry since we are using oil here. Fry or cook, what would you call it guys? Let me know your opinion in the comment section right now. Now let's add the mushrooms into the pan and have them slightly cooked. A little bit of black pepper. This is an option, but personally, I like how the black pepper makes a cooked mushroom taste. Now let the mushroom cook for some minutes, but occasionally we would have to stir the mushrooms. We just don't want to have them burnt. Nah. Let's add the carrot into the cooking and have it stirred so it can blend with the other ingredients while they cook. Let's also add the tuna right now before leaving the ingredients to all cook and blend together. Alright, time for the green pea. Let's add the sliced zucchini. At this point, we are adding all the vegetables we intend to use and have them all slightly cooked. We just don't want to overcook any of the vegetables, so they are the last ingredients we are going to be adding before we add the cooking cream. Now, this is the secret. The secret behind the creaminess of my pasta buona. We'll stir the food to have it all uniformly mixed. The more we cook the cream, the more the taste changes and blends with the rest of the other ingredients. So if you prefer the fresh taste of the cooking cream, then you can choose to reduce the cooking time of the cream. Now we'll add the sweet corn. That's an option you can choose not to include in the recipe, but for me, I like it. Alright, it's time for the pasta mix. Let's let it cook a little more, to help blend the taste of the whole thing, the pasta, the cream together unified, For those who want to know how the pasta was cooked, I poured the pasta into a boiling salted water and I let it cook for about 15 minutes while checking to achieve the softness that I want. Alright guys, the food is ready. I had to let it rest for some minutes. Now it's time for me to dish out. Dish. Okay guys, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy yourself preparing this food and eating as much as I'm doing right now. Until the next video, peace.